In the stillness of this moment, I find my heart is longing for your presence, Lord, to fill this empty space. Every breath I take depends on your unending mercy. Without you, there's no life, no hope, no saving grace. Here I am.